Okay, so ignore my hair because I washed it and blow dried it yesterday. Um this is the result. So I'm gonna just take care of the hair situation after we do the makeup. So my face is clean and I'm moisturized. So I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So basically what I'm doing today is, I don't know if I've said it a few times, but in case you don't know, I am a freelance makeup artist. I was taking clients and working full time up until lockdown, and I haven't done any clients since lockdown. I've been doing virtual makeup lessons, which I'm still offering virtual makeup lessons. So if you are interested, make sure that you check the description box because I will leave a link for you to look at all the information, all the classes that I offer, and how you can register. All the pricing is there. And so I I need to like rebrand. I want to rebrand. I need to rebrand because it's been so long since I've even talked about me doing makeup or me taking makeup clients. And also too for the virtual courses, just doing a rebrand. So I want to take some artist, like makeup artist photos or headshots or something like that. And I was trying to find inspiration last night for exactly like what I wanted to do for my pictures, and I didn't find much. Like all of them were the same old. Like I was looking at hairstylists, I was looking at makeup artists, and everybody was like holding a makeup brush in their hand, or holding a blow dryer in their hand, or holding a pair of scissors in their hand, and it was just like, can we bring it to 2021, please? Like, so I have a concept in mind, and if all else fails, I'll just keep it super simple and wear like a black turtleneck, and that'll be that. So, but either way, I had to do my makeup for it, and I want to do my hair for it specifically. And that's like, I wanted to wear my natural hair. I didn't want to have like braids, a wig, any of that stuff. So since my natural hair is a decent length, I wanted to wear it. I wish I still had like my blunt cut. That would be lit. I may need to get a wig that's like a blunt bob situation. But yeah, so while I have my natural hair out right now, while I'm in between my hairstyles, I'm just like, I need to take my pictures, so I'm gonna do that today. The makeup that I'm doing is like the same thing that I do all the time. So if you haven't seen my go-to makeup routine video, then you should check that out. I will make sure that I link that in the description box. I'm running so low on my favorite foundation of all time. I don't even know how I allowed myself to get here, but I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. Y'all know that she is my rider, so no surprise. And I like, you hear that? I'm like literally down to the last drip drop. So I for sure have to re-up on that. But I am going to mix because I've been doing that lately and I've been liking how it turns out. So I am going to mix again, same duo, the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. I'm going to mix a little bit of that just because this gives a fuller coverage. So I'm just going to mix a little bit. I'm so excited. I got a new beauty blender and it has my, wait, can you guys see? It has my zodiac sign on it. Isn't that so cute? I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous to be getting back to taking clients just because, you know. But I mean, I did do makeup for Halloween back in October, Trenaejxo, because when else is Halloween? That went pretty good. I mean, I definitely wore all of the necessary PPE, and I mean, I did temperature checks, but the people are saying that isn't really effective. It made me feel better about the situation though, so I'll probably continue to do that. But yeah, it went pretty well. How's everyone's 2021 going? Listen, baby, 2021 started off with a bang. Okay, it's like all this stuff happened all within like within like a 48-hour period. All this craziness, like the stuff that happened at the Capitol. I'm not even going to talk about it. But what I will say is I spent a lot of time on Twitter, like as the festivities were taking place. And I learned a lot about a certain YouTuber who shall remain nameless because we're not even giving her the energy over here on this channel. But like, I was so surprised because I have been supporting her and her channel and her endeavors for a very long time. And I was shocked. Like, I had no idea that she felt that way because I know for a fact she is a woman of color. So for her to feel the way that she feels, I was just like, oh, okay. Yeah, unfollowed, unsubscribed, like, child. And what is this stuff about? I don't even want to say that name on my channel either, but you know that guy who wears makeup and is like really popular and has a cosmetics line? Yeah, him. What's going on with him and Kanye West? Like, wait, what happened? Sorry, y'all. I had got a call. But I still wanted you guys to see what I was doing. That's why I didn't stop recording. So, for my concealer, literally, I'm doing the same thing I always do. But I use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which I love this. I really have to get the foundation because I really, really, really love the concealer. In the shade Latte. And then I layered, over that, like, right under my eye, I layered the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand just to brighten up my under eye a little bit. And then for my contour, I also used the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. So it's the same thing I always use. I'm trying to plan what to do for Valentine's Day content. I was thinking about a Valentine's Day date lookbook, a like Netflix and chill lookbook. I mean, because I know some people are probably going out, but some places are still in lockdown. Like me, I'm on my own lockdown. If you plan on like just staying in for Valentine's Day, I don't know if I should make that like 2 separate lookbooks or 1 or what. I was also thinking about doing like a get ready with me and like tips on like how to prep for your date night, you know? I don't know, like, what do you guys think? Do you like the Valentine's Day like date night outfit lookbook idea, or do you think I should do like the Netflix and chill, like if you're staying at home date night idea? Which honestly, you probably could dress up. I mean, not probably, you could dress up at home too. Like you could have dinner at home, make it really cute and fancy and sexy, and like light candles and have music playing and, you know, cook or whatever. So I don't know. I could do that. And then I'm also, like I said, thinking about, do you guys want to see the get ready with me? Like, what y'all in the mood for? Should I do both? Like, you know? Alright, yeah, that's that on that. So now I'm going to set everything. I want to try this like new powder trick. So I'm going to take a little bit of my Beauty Bakerie flour powder, and I'm taking my beauty blender, and I'm just taking a little bit of powder and lightly pressing this into my under eye. So I'm going to see if that works, because I get really bad creasing under my eye. Something has to be done about it, because I can't keep living my life like this. Oh, I forgot something. So, oh my goodness, I don't know what order I'm posting these videos, but we hit 200 subscribers, and I'm so excited. I just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel, who watches my videos, who enjoys my videos, who leaves me beautiful messages and comments. I appreciate it all, and our little family's growing, and I'm so excited. And so, like I said, since we hit 200, we're gonna do a giveaway, giveaway. All right, so now we attack this. I'm thinking I want to do like the 90s like flip hairstyle, or 90s / 60s or 50s, whatever it was, like the flip. You know the flip. I'm just gonna press my hair out first, like press it to straighten it, and then once I get it straightened, I'll do the flip and style it up. I want to wear a beret in one of the pictures. And I'm just now thinking, I've never done this on camera before. I am at some point going to do like how I do my silk press at home, hair care, whatever, wash routine, all that stuff. I do want to include hair videos, because the stuff that I'm doing is working, but my hair is not ready yet. So just wait, it's coming.
Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi.
She said it left me with so many questions about the future, questions about security, extremism, propaganda, and more. But there's one question I just can't shake. What if these rioters had looked like the folks who go to Ebenezer Baptist Church every Sunday? What would it be?
Alright, I'm going to try to do like a little trim. And once I'm done with that, I'll be back to finish styling. My hair looks so much shorter. but it needed it, and it probably needs more. I did the best I could do. And the last time I gave myself like a little trim, I was trying to be cute about it. This time I was like, no, it gotta go. Like, look at how short the front is. These treatments that I've been doing, like at home deep conditioning treatments, super easy, and my hair feels amazing. Like, this shine, I don't have any product in my hair. No product. Nothing. Like, look at how shiny my hair is. So I'm going to I definitely want to do a tutorial, but if anybody has seen Cardi, it's basically like Cardi B posted the treatment that she does at home, and it's an avocado, egg, mayonnaise, and I mix conditioner in, put it in, let it sit for 30 minutes under like a plastic cap, heat if you have it, and that's it. So I am going to continue to do those treatments. Now it's time to style. I'm getting hot. Let me take this off. Okay. So I went and changed. And I'm also gonna put on my gloves, but I'm wondering if I need the scarf still, because I don't have a scarf. I think I like it this way. Okay, this might actually turn out cute. It's okay. Cause like, I ain't know. I mean, I still don't. I gotta see how the picture's gonna turn out. Do I do a red lip though? Do I do a red lip or do I do a nude lip? Alright, so this is the look 1, the final look. Look 2, I'm not gonna have time to show you guys, but of course you will see pictures, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm gonna link it below. I decided to go with the red lip. I like this vibe. And then for my second look, I think I'll do the nude lip. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and getting ready with me. If you are interested in any of the virtual makeup courses, like I said, I will definitely leave all of that information down in the description box below. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys, and join the family, the XO team. And until next time, babes.